Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete certain apps that you have installed on your iPad, which is actually a very simple process. All you have to do is, let's say we want to delete this app, right? So we have this app. We hold our finger on the app for a long time. You do it so long that you get these negative marks around here, right? After that, you press the negative sign over the negative sign here. You press that one, okay? This negative. And as you can see, the app is gone. Once you press home, the app has vanished. And that is how you delete an app on. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye bye.